Hi Pisces, I'm Anisha. You can write to me at tarotbyanisha@gmail.com. You can also visit my website www.tarotbyanisha.com. And this is your monthly forecast for June 2014. Pisces, we begin this month with your co-ruler Neptune that is going to be having a major influence this entire month, even though it goes retrograde from 9th of June. An early month, you're going to be feeling extremely inspired and creative, and you could achieve a breakthrough of sorts of maybe some particular problem that you've constantly been trying to sort it out. So this is a time where you could get a solution. Sadly, Mars goes and squares up with Pluto, which could cause some amount of a friction as far as your finances are concerned. You could be forced to compromise or give up on something that you have been really had your heart set on in order to be rather dealing with what is your regular financial obligation. For some of you who could take this risk and ignore I wouldn't say impending financial obligation that is there, but ignore what is there in any case that needs to get done financially and go ahead and make this investment as to what it is that you have been really wanting to do. For some of you, it could maybe a car or a holiday that you've been wanting to take for the longest of time, and you are short of funds at this point of time, but you may just decide to do it irrespective of the shortage of funds. However, the planets are indicating that it may not be the wisest thing to be doing, Pisces. Have a look at your finances. In any case, it's not a great time to be taking risk and just throwing everything into the wind and saying, oh, I'll see when I get down to it and manage it. There is a new moon in Gemini that is highlighting your home and your family, and a lot of focus is there on the personal development for a lot of you. I think whether it is whether it has been a challenge to break a particular pattern in your life, this is a time where the new moon is going to be focusing and giving you an opportunity to do so, Pisces. So use this time, whether it is the way that you deal with people, whether it is a mindset, whether it is the way that you look at life altogether. You're going to be having an opportunity this time to redo it. So use this time well, rather than just sitting and saying that, oh, it is done now, I can't do much about it. Also, you need to be you need to evaluate as to what it is that makes you safe and secure, as far as whether there is security or home, or what is it that anchors you, what is it that really makes you happy, that makes you feel really emotionally secure. These are the things that need to get evaluated, or rather you will be evaluating them at this point of time. We also have the fourth house. In any case, the focus is on your fourth house, and though the fourth house is quite angular, and it is it's cardinal, it's the house of Cancer, so it can it can bring up also some issues which are quite uncomfortable to deal with. Be extremely careful, especially if you're dealing with a landlord, if you're dealing with especially if it has to do with real estate or rent or leasing, or you could have some friction with the person who owns the house where you're living at this point of time. So be a little careful as well. This is also a time for reorganization, Pisces. It's a good time to be understanding or rather going back to your roots, looking at your values, seeing what is really important. And I think for some of you who could have sort of just come this far and I wouldn't say made excuses for yourself, but maybe circumstantially you could be saying, you know, that, oh, this is how I am and this is what life has dealt me and I will learn to be like this. I think with the focus on this particular house, New Moon is asking you to say that you need to be really looking and evaluating as to what it is, or what are the things that really matter, what are your values, what are your ethics. So do that. It's a good time also to be making long range plans for yourself in the future, or even if you need to be doing some modifications around your house. I think some of you could be maybe redesigning or doing some construction at your home. Now, Mercury goes retrograde from June 7th, and Mercury retrograde is suggesting that you need to step back and think the next course of action before you decide as to what it is that you want. Don't hesitate to question fundamental values, and especially if you are dealing with somebody in a closest relationship, you need to understand as to what are those person's values. Are they in align with what it is that you want for yourself in life? it's extremely important that by the end of the month, by the time that you have done your risk re-evaluation, you will be patting yourself on the back that you did that. So don't shy away from asking all the direct questions, maybe some tough questions as well this month, Pisces, not only of others but of yourself as well. We have Neptune, your co-ruler planet, that is up to no good from 9th of June, as it is going retrograde and it's causing some mischief. It's creating a lot of drama. It's creating a lot of deception around a part of your chart that could make you seem somebody who's too smooth, too glib, almost false at times. So be careful. People may not like it. You could think that it's a whether it's an act that you have mastered and that is your way to deal with things, but it's the planets are suggesting that it's a time for really sincerity is the key for you this month. Also, try not to make excuses for your lack of success this month, Pisces. Try and be accountable for yourself, for who you are, for your failures, for your successes. It's extremely important that you don't just sit back and say that, oh, now I'm going to let somebody else take the or shoulder the load of most of the problems and I can't do much about it. So try not to have too long a pity party. It's okay to feel sorry for yourself for a little bit of a time, and you need to pick yourself up and start being accountable. So ensure that you are doing that good service to yourself this month, Pisces. So overall a good month. I would say some amount of self-work is there. Reevaluate your values and where it is that you're coming and where it is that you want to go. And with Neptune, your co-ruler planet, try and not to either stay deceived or deceive others for, I think, whether it is in a relationship or it's in a business partnership. Keep that in mind. Overall, a good month for you, Pisces. It's been a pleasure talking to you. Thank you so much for listening. I'll see you again in July.